Oh, 15x on a great. And so times by 15.
Going to get a crazy. What kind of multi we are applying that 10x?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Camillius, congratulations on top of the list, nice. But yeah, I'm trying to keep my skin really good. Place your bets. By just drinking water and vitamins, you know, and eating healthy. Don't eat sweet things. We don't like chocolates. All right, let's go. Because the main thing, how I keep my skin so clean. Because I don't eat sweets. I don't eat, you know, the junk food. I don't like that. I cook for myself. I cook good meals. You want to try? You want to join me on a dinner someday, maybe? All right, come on, give it a crazy time. Boom! And nice clutch. A really nice clutch. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? You know what time is it? Join me. And let's get going. Hi. All right, you know what time is it. Pick a color. Which one would you like to choose? We got those greens, we got those blues, and we got those yellows as well. Which one is your favorite? I would pick yellow. No, maybe green. No. Maybe blue. No, maybe next time a purple. Or maybe an orange. I don't know. I don't actually know colors. I'm colorblind. So I am colorblind. All right, 200x, the biggest multiplier. Let's get going, baby. Woo. So yeah, drink water all the time. Drink water with some minerals.
This is the amount of money issued 90,324 euros.
For the blue ones and 200 for the yellow ones. What? Congratulations to all of you. 2,751 winner. RS8 on being on top of the list. Wonderful for you. Nice indeed, nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Place your bets. 200x for the yellows. Oh yeah, that is nice. No, you saved me, Yachli. You saved me. Bets are closed.
You was an auto player needed? I hope you still got it. Hey, John Mark, enjoy. Hey, oh, baby. Marcus, thank you for that. My pleasure, baby. I say it ain't so. I say it ain't so. Shout out DG Khaled, because we got another one. Hopefully, another one. All right, good luck. Let's do this. And we're back, baby. Welcome back. Select the flapper as always, green, blue or yellow. Last time blue was the best. We're finding out which one will be the best on this spin. So are you ready, Max Multi 100x? Good luck. Alert! Alert! It's a double for the blue flapper. Get ready. We doubling everything up and spinning again. Max Multi in this one, 200x. Let's do this. I say it ain't so. Another one, another double. So let's do it again. A Max Multi 400x. Good luck. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 143,649 euros.
Congratulations. Sheesh. 400 500x crazy time for the blue flapper. Blue flapper putting in downward compliments to the winners. Ayo, enjoy, baby. I saw you.
5x crazy time. Well, that makes one of us. No, I do too. I do too. Yes, that was glorious. That was glorious. No, thank you, Darken. No, no, thank you. I have to politely refuse. I'm on the job. We moving. If you don't know, it's not yourself. What do you mean, though? I understand like each word individually, but put together, I don't understand, Ember. What's happening? Hey, I'll tell you what's happening. It's that crazy time that everybody likes. As in the triple crazy time, baby. You've been waiting. Let's get. Boom. Boom, I say boom. Oh, multipliers we've got, but I think we should multiply those multipliers. Come on. Oh yes, the multipliers are getting better. Boom. Green, blue, yellow. Make your choice, please. Or don't. The game chooses for you randomly. And now, we're battling for a chance for 300x. The button has been pressed. Good luck, I say. Aha, that's already 60 and 75. Pretty good. But Team Yellow, Team Nami, getting the double action. So yeah, for a chance at 600x. Get it! Good luck, I say.
This is the amount of money issued 176,422 euros.
Winners, Fyros, Gaias, Gob, Scorpion, Rim, L, 15359 as well. Top 5 list, congratulations. So let's keep going. And bets are close. Kajan with a 2x multiplier on the top shot, by the way. Okay. I like it. Now the question is, can we get this Kajan with a 2x multiplier? I mean, it is getting close. Hopefully it's going to be close enough to actually get it. And there you have it, Kajan with a 2x multiplier. Excellent. Seems like we're ending the session on a good note. You know, hopefully we're going to be able to get a little bit more bonus rounds to finish off the session on even better note right there. But yeah, so far so good. 500x multiplier, which is going to become a 1000x. Ooh la la. So yeah, just like that, I guess we got the highest multiplier of the day. it is that easy. But yeah, guys, 1000x in this cash, and I really hope some of you will get it though. Right, let's make the 1000x as the highest multiplier of the day. And there you have it. Everything is shuffled. Now it is your time to make your decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, don't think about the fact, you know, there's only 1000x multiplier, you know, just believe in it. Believe that you can actually get it. I am going to be playing with you. Highly suggest not to follow my decision though. I'm going for this gift box right there. Let's see, what did...
This is the amount of money issued 31,801 euros.
7 players got a 1000x right there. Excellent. Well, there we go. Thank you once again for playing, and I wish you all best of luck in the next round. Minus with a 7,500 euro win, 150x multiplier for you. Imagine if you would have had a 500x right there. That would have been crazy.
Betting time again. Biggest multiplier today from the chat moderator is 500x on a cash hunt. But some of the players said that it's actually 700x on something. I don't know what. Oh, 15x on a crazy time. This, I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look at the wheel. I'll just wait for it to stop, and then I'll see if we land something nice. Yes! Yes, it's a 15x crazy time! Well then, I'm not going to look at the wheel ever again. Let's go. Let's see that crazy time. Right then. So, welcome. Lovely 15x. Let's see what we can land. And so, times by 15. So, decision time, of course, decision time. Is it going to be 1,500x highest? I mean, hopefully, on at least one of the flappers. So, green, blue, and yellow, whichever one. You ready? 1,500x highest, let's go. Right then, 225x blue, 300x yellow, and double on the green. So let's go again, 3000x now.
This is the amount of money issued 151,740 euros.
Yellow, 450x green. Right then, well that was surely the highlight of the session, you have to admit. 857 of you wanting it? Lovely. Was the top stop 15x? You're defending from now on. Well, I mean, it was a nice crazy time.
Biggest wins bet in time. Anybody hopping on the one train? My record, 11 ones in a row. What else for? 33% for the record. Going to get a crazy time with a 10x with a 10x on crazy time alert. Well, too early to be saying to alert to y'all. Unless, hold up, wait a minute. Yes, sir, we holding on to the crazy time. And it's with a 10x multi. The multi is double digits on this one. No time to waste. Let's get it on. Good luck. Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, do you see where we are with what kind of multi we are applying that 10x multiplier? And are you ready? I hope so. First of all, select the flapper. Select the flapper, green, blue, or yellow. We don't see this every day, so come on. Let's hope for a good round. Most of you went with the blue one, max multi, 8,000. Let's do this. Alert, alert, we got a double for the green flappers. It's a double everything up and get ready to run it back for the spin. Max multi 2,000. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 318,809 euros.
Can I come back in? I want to go back. But we're back at the wheel. What a lovely 10x crazy time around. Multis 500, 300, 200x's. Compliments to the winners.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.